Alright, so this here was encapsulation cleaning, no extraction required. The solution went down, pulled out all the little black coffee spots and spills. Over here was a coffee spill alley galore around here, along here. It cleaned up extremely nice, and I'm very happy with the way it turned out. This room hadn't been cleaned maybe in a couple years, so I was all ready to pull out the hot water extraction, but I wanted to see what the end cap would do. So if the end cap wasn't sufficient, I was prepared to do the hot water extraction, but the end cap I think did a very beautiful job. It smells very refreshed in here. The carpets are bright. Little discussion on Facebook about peroxide. Why would you use peroxide if there isn't any urine in the carpet? Well, peroxide is an oxidizer. An oxidizer helps to brighten and bring out the coloring in the carpets. The way that it adheres to the fibers and to the dyes and everything, and it causes light to distribute more evenly from it. And I'm not sure what all other things that it does, but the oxidizing nature of peroxide does help with brightening and deodorizing and sanitizing and all kinds of cool stuff. And what's even better about it is that it is completely green. When peroxide dissipates and disappears, it basically turns into water, evaporates, and goes away. 100% biodegradable. It's not leaving any contaminants, any residue, anything in the carpeting once it's gone. So it is by far probably the most green, eco-friendly, earth-friendly, pet-friendly, all that good stuff that you could possibly use in a cleaning situation.